Take a look at this room. It looks incredibly boring, doesn't it? Gray, empty, and without a single drop of personality. But what if we upload this photo into an AI and give it total freedom? Watch how the exact same space can drastically change its character, mood, and value. Today, we're running a massive experiment, transforming this room into the 20 most popular interior design styles of 2026. This is your ultimate guide. You'll learn to tell complex styles apart easily and find the exact one you'd love to live in. Drop a comment below on which transformation blew your mind the most. Fire up the neural network. Let's go. First up is Japandi. It's the ultimate fusion of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. The focus here is on low-profile furniture, clean lines, and a completely clutter-free environment. Think warm, earthy tones, raw textures, and natural oak. Perfect for matching peace, serenity, and ultimate mindfulness. Next, we have classic Scandinavian minimalism. Unlike Japandi, this style loves bright, cool, natural light. Light gray fabrics and iconic black metal accents. It's practical, functional, and uses cozy elements like geometric wool rugs or chunky knit blankets to keep it inviting. Perfect for lovers of bright, clean, and airy spaces. Forget less is more. Welcome to Maximalism, where more is more. This style is a vibrant celebration of personality. We've got deep emerald green walls, an eclectic gallery of colorful frames, plush pink velvet, and piles of art books. Perfect for bold souls who want their home to tell a loud, fascinating story. Eclecticism is all about harmoniously mixing different design eras. Look how beautifully this antique wooden cabinet pairs with an ultra-modern transparent chair and a sleek contemporary sofa. It's not random chaos, it's a curated mix of cultural artifacts and modern art. Perfect for collectors and creative minds. Time for pure luxury and glamour, Art Deco. Notice the elegant geometric gold inlay patterns on the dark charcoal walls. Pair that with rich navy blue velvet, a polished black marble coffee table, and a crystal chandelier. Perfect for those who want their apartment to feel like a high-end, sophisticated hotel. Modern Coastal brings that high-end beach resort vibe right into the room. We're talking soft sand tones, seafoam whites, a super comfy linen sofa, and sheer curtains catching a gentle breeze. It feels breezy, light, and endlessly refreshing. Perfect for creating a permanent vacation feeling at home. Biophilic design is a massive trend focused on our connection to nature. The highlight here is a stunning vertical living wall covered in fresh moss and ferns, surrounded by massive tropical plants and raw stone elements. Perfect for turning a city apartment into a peaceful jungle sanctuary. If you like rugged urban aesthetics, this industrial loft style is for you. White walls turn into raw red brick and exposed concrete. Add black metal pipes, track lighting, and a vintage cognac leather sofa. Perfect for creating a bold, masculine, and authentic city vibe. Modern farmhouse is all about that cozy country house vibe, but with a sleek, modern twist. It uses warm shiplap white walls, a massive reclaimed wooden coffee table, and cozy, slip-covered sofas with woven baskets. Perfect for making any space feel incredibly warm, welcoming, and family-friendly. Next is the free-spirited bohemian style. It's layered with colorful vintage Moroccan rugs, a relaxed rattan swing chair, macrame wall hangings, and plenty of floor poofs. It's rich in textiles and traveler energy, perfect for artistic souls and dreamers who love cozy, unconventional spaces. Step into dark academia. This moody, atmospheric style features rich mahogany wood panels, floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, a classic dark leather Chesterfield armchair, and antique brass candlesticks. It feels like an old university library, perfect for book lovers, writers, and fans of a mysterious aesthetic. Grand Millennial or Granny Chic is making a huge comeback. It takes traditional elements like delicate floral wallpaper, sofas with pleated skirts, and vintage porcelain, and remixes them with a stylish, modern attitude. Perfect for those who love heritage charm and timeless comfort. Organic modernism focuses on soft, sculptural, and rounded shapes. There are no sharp edges here, just a curved boucle sofa, smooth organic wooden tables, and a calming palette of olive green and sand. Perfect for creating a fluid, modern, and visually soothing environment. French country brings the romantic charm of Provence into your space. Think soft lavender and muted olive pastels, distressed vintage furniture with a beautiful white patina, and fresh lavender bouquets in clay pots. Perfect for adding an elegant, rustic, and deeply romantic French touch. Mediterranean style brings the sun-drenched warmth of Southern Europe. We've transformed the entrance into a smooth architectural archway, added rough white stucco walls, terracotta tiles, and olive branches. Perfect for anyone obsessed with Greek, coastal, or Spanish villa vibes. Moody Maximalism is dramatic, opulent, and deeply luxurious. It uses deep, mysterious burgundy walls, a plush black velvet sofa with ornate gold legs, and heavy, dramatic curtains. It looks incredibly expensive. Perfect for creating a theatrical, bold, and intimate nighttime vibe. Welcome to the future. This tech minimalist style features seamless, glossy white walls with integrated, color-changing LED light strips. The furniture is fluid, neon lit, and smart tech is hidden everywhere. Perfect for gadget lovers and fans of sci-fi spaceship aesthetics. Wabi-sabi is the ancient Japanese philosophy of finding beauty in imperfection. The walls are rough, organic clay plaster with subtle cracks. The furniture consists of an authentic, weathered low wooden table and handmade ceramics. Perfect for those who appreciate slow living and raw simplicity. Let's bring back the energy of the 70s with retro pop. This funky, nostalgic style rocks a color scheme of mustard yellow, warm orange, and avocado green, completed with molded chairs and vintage geometric posters. Perfect for music vinyl fans and lovers of cheerful retro cool energy. Finally, warm minimalism. It strips away all the clutter but avoids cold whites. Instead, it uses cozy cream, beige, and coffee tones paired with a super soft cream sofa and highly tactile fabrics. Perfect for keeping things clean and uncluttered, but still incredibly cozy and warm. And there you have it, 20 distinct interior styles, all brought to life by AI. So, which one speaks to you the most? Are you Team Japandi Minimalism, or are you ready to go bold with Moody Maximalism? Drop your favorite style in the comments below and let me know if you want a deep dive into any of them. If you enjoyed this ultimate design journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.